Good morning, good morning. Good morning sa lahat ng so yun, naka-live na nga tayo. So yun, magandang umaga. So kasama nga pala natin si Boss Juana, si Sir Odabar, tsaka si Stanley Bernabe. Sige, dalawang tao. Yan. So, pa-shoutout nga pala kay Sir Odabar. Yan, siya si Boss Juana, aka Tigril. So, yung export po lang siguro to sa Aruga. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Ingay naman tong action to.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Oh, ay tatay.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
So, kasama ko pala dito sa top lane, si Sir Odabar, aka Boss Juana. Yan. Siya si Tigrils na ang dami. Okay.
The enemy often knows you better than you. Initiate retreat!
About, grabe yung mga strategy ni Sir Odabar. Parang, biruin mo nga ano. Okay, run. Uwi. Back muna sir konti. Back muna. Back. Back.
Initiate retreat.
Back, sir,
I
back.
don't wanna
Back,
lose
sir,
to
back.
this not no shadow.
Huwag masyadong ready, sir.
Initiate retreat.
Back na, sir. Sir, baka muna, sir. Kaya ko yan.
All men only
Sir,
like
baka
cute
muna, sir.
girls. Initiate retreat. First blood. See any other neighbors around here?
Si sir eh, baka muna, sir eh. Gigil si sir.
An
Aray
enemy
ko.
has been
Sakto
slain.
na. Kalukoy mo ngayon, ah. Relax lang, sir. Relax. Relax tayo, relax.
An ally has
Isiyan lang natin, sir.
I shouldn't be speaking while on a mission.
Sir, ito. Yan. Sige, hindi niya makukuha yan, sir.
Launch attack. Sigefana.
Ay! Yan, sir. Nilayo mo, sir. Nilayo mo, sir. Bakit mo nilalayo, sir?
An ally has been slain.
Nilayo ni sir.
An enemy has been slain. Cute girls.
Sige, sir. Okay lang, sir.
See what happens to you. Turtle resurrecting soon. All men only like cute girls.
Sabi ko sa inyo, si Brody, malakas lang sa early game. Pero sa late game na ngayon. Sir, tingnan mo sa damo, sir. Nasa damo yan, sir. Niwala ka sa akin, sir. Nasa damo yan, sir.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Ay, grabe naman yun. Taka ko naman doon.
All
Sorry,
men only like
akin.
cute girls.
Ano? Tinitira mo dyan.
The enemy often knows you better than you do. Request backup. I shouldn't be speaking while on a mission. Sweet. All men only like cute girls.
Ano naman uno?
Initiate retreat.
Very good. Ginagawa ng Gordon.
Actually, I can't resist cute
An
stuff at
ally
all.
has been
Ano sa
slain.
Gord? No. Angela pala yun.
Just show me an umbrella and see what happens to you.
Pagkasali niya, sir.
Request backup. Request backup. I don't want to
Ito lang
lose
pala mo
to
dyan.
that snot nose shadow.
Yun, no?
An enemy has been slain.
Grabe nga naman.
Have slain an
Yung
enemy.
mga set ni sir, nakita niyo yun? Grabe, lapet. Diba? Yun yung tinatawag na, folk
Show me an
player.
umbrella and see what
Diba?
happens to you.
Yun yung mga set na ganun. Si Sir Odaval lang nakakagawa niyan. Tunay na pro player lang nakakagawa niyan. Di tayo, sir. Yan, dyan tayo, sir.
Actually, I can't resist cute stuff at all.
Grabe ang set ni Sir Odaval.
Turtle
Pang po.
resurrecting soon.
Baka mo, sir.
Initiate retreat.
Sige, sir. Dito tayo, sir.
All men
Sir.
only like cute girls.
Kung may nagtangkang kumuha yan, SS-an ko talaga yan, sir.
An ally
Yun,
has
very good,
slain
oh.
the turtle.
Tapos mid tayo, sir.
The
Oh, yan,
enemy
yan.
often knows you better than
O, yan.
you
Ibig
do.
sabihin yan. Sige, dyan ka na muna sa, sir. Sa mid ka muna, sir. Kaya ko na to, sir.
I don't
Oh,
want
yeah,
to
well,
lose to that
sir.
snot nose shadow. Initiate retreat. Just show me an umbrella and see what
Aramid.
happens to you. Request backup.
Grabe naman yan, oh.
Initiate retreat.
Sabi na tayo.
Request attack. better than you do. Launch attack! You
Ano yan?
destroy the
Galing, ah.
turret! An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat! Higefana! An ally has been slain. An enemy has been
Ah!
slain.
Mali. Mali yung pwesto. Anong kalaban ni Stanley dun sa baba? Focus lang ulit. Focus lang. Focus. Focus lang.
Our turret has been destroyed. All men only like cute girls. Our turret has been destroyed.
Magaling si Sir mag-set eh. Lamang tayo dyan.
The enemy often knows you better than you do.
Relax lang tayo. Lamang tayo sa tower. Hindi. Tabla lang eh.
Turtle
Tata.
resurrecting soon. Request
Ginawa na Stanley.
Our turret has been destroyed. I don't want to lose to that snot nose shadow. Request back enemy rampage.
Kasi nagsusulo yun dun. Tabla ko na nagsusulo ka dun.
Higefana! An enemy has been slain. Double kill. You have slain an enemy.
Ano magsusulo ka dun?
Enemy unstoppable.
Joke lang na yun, oy! Joke lang nga yun eh.
Enemy dominated. Our turret is under attack. You have been slain.
Talaga nga naman, oho.
The enemy has slain the turret.
Agi, di pa napatay. Talaga nga naman, ohoy. Okay lang yan. Kaya natin yan. Relax lang. Kaya natin yan. Kaya.
All men only like cute girls. Just show me an umbrella and see what happens to you.
Bakit ka nagsusulo dyan, Brad? Saan magsusulo? Tusto ka dyan.
Actually,
Lock na.
I don't resist cute stuff at all. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Yung Brody, oh. Yung Roger, tapos pok sa atin yan.
The enemy initiate retreat.
Pupuntan nyo na doon. Malayo sila. Dito tayo, sir. Yan. Nagsama na.
I don't want to lose to that snot nose shadow.
Ay, paano yun? Ay, ba't di ba mo naka-flicker yun? Di ko kala yung naka-flicker yun, ah.
Initiate retreat.
Ng SS.
Launch attack. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Hehe, thank you. Back, way back.
Initiate
Ah,
retreat.
sige. Sa akin yun yan. Iniigo po ako ng dinosaur. Loko yun, ah. Anong dinosaur yun?
Lord resurrecting
Humag.
launch attack.
Tumataba yung Brody.
Shut down. Enemy godlike. Initiate retreat. Just show me an umbrella and see what happens. Enemy legendary.
Baka nyo na yan.
Shut down.
Bakit ang patay nila ng Brody?
All men only like cute girls.
Okay, relaxan nyo lang. Hindi ako playing 6 tungoks.
The enemy often knows you better than you do.
Ah, Stanley.
Request backup. I shouldn't be
No.
I don't want
So, grabe nga naman, oh.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack.
Wag.
Initiate retreat backup.
Wag. Wala kayong retry. Sige, malayo. Sige. Sige nga. Ala ka.
Turret is under attack.
Diba lagi nakatakbo yun?
Enemy has been slain. Request backup.
Kamuting 10 kalabong nga naman yun, oh.
Actually,
Ah. Mga first wave lang to eh. Tara.
request backup.
Oy, tara.
Initiate retreat.
Ayan. Bakit? Anong ginagawa nun ni ano?
Actually,
Ni Stanley. Hindi siya maintindihan. Bagay. Huwag tayo masyadong greedy. Nagiging greedy na rin ako eh.
the enemy often knows you better than you do.
Back sa area, no?
Initiate retreat.
Yan. Very good. To.
Attack. Request backup.
Ayan, sige, paano na yan? Ano bahala dito?
An umbrella and see what happens to you.
Relax lang natin.
The enemy often knows you better than you do.
Relax. Mga sir.
Just show me an umbrella and see
Tata.
what happens. Request backup. Killing spree. Killing spree. You have slain an enemy.
Tapos na.
You destroy the turret.
Napalit tayo minion.
Actually,
Ay, sus, sayang. Tapos na sana to eh. Wala lang minion eh.
I shouldn't be speaking while on a mission. Request backup. Your team destroyed the turret. Backup. Actually, that was a speed stuff. Initiate retreat.
Oo nga. Ba't tumatalon eh? Ang tatalon? Ano nga kayo?
Initiate retreat. All men only girls.
Talon, di.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Ilang.
Launch attack. Just show me an umbrella and see what happens to you.
Tili ko lang kayo niyan ha.
Team destroy the turret.
Relaxan nyo lang, relax. Tututoy.
All men only like cute girls. Mega kill. Shut down.
Ba't may tinamaan ako?
The enemy often knows you better than you do. Lord, resurrect you have slain an enemy. You destroy the turret. Shut down. Killing spree. Our turret is under attack. Request backup. Launch attack.
Kahit mamaya mo na ginamit yan, kamote.
Kill.
Ano na? Yan. Yun oh, lakas ni Sir Odabar, tsaka ni Stanley Bernabe. So yun oh, sila yung tunay na malalakas na mag-tank sa ML. So from Bagong Silang and Camarin. Yun, shoutout nga pala sa inyong dalawa dyan, kay Sir Odabar. Tunay nga malakas siya mag-tank. Nakita niyo naman yung mga set niya malulupitan. Ayun, thank you. Sa mga nanood dyan, maraming salamat and good morning.